Hello and welcome to today's English grammar lesson. Our topic is in versus into. It is very easy to differentiate when to use in and into. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to know exactly when to use them in your sentences. Okay? Use in when something is already inside a place. Already inside, use in. When something is already in a place, there is no movement. And when there is no movement, it means it is positioned in the place. So it shows position. In is used to show position, and there is no movement. Something is just inside a place. Okay? Use into when something is to move from outside to inside. So, into is used when something is to move from outside to inside a place. Also, we use into when something is to change from one thing to another. So, into is used to show transformation, okay? All right, with this information, let us answer these questions. 1. She is blank the kitchen. This sentence suggests that she is already inside a place, which is the kitchen. That means there is no movement involved. So when there is no movement, in is the correct word. She is in the kitchen. 2. He walked blank his office quietly. Walked here shows that there is movement from outside to the office. So there is movement. Movement is involved. In other words, into should be the correct answer. He walked into his office quietly. 3. The frog jumped blank the river. Here, there is movement. The frog jumped from one place to the river. So there is movement. Movement is involved. That means into should be the correct answer. The frog jumped into the river. 4. There is sugar blank my tea. Here, the sentence suggests that the sugar is already inside the tea. That means it is just the position of the sugar. The sugar is already inside, so in is the correct word. There is sugar in my tea. 5. He ran blank the house when it started raining. This word, ran, shows movement from outside to inside. So here there is movement. That means into is the correct answer. He ran into the house when it started raining. 6. He poured some water blank the jug. Here, the word poured suggests that the water moved from one container to the jug. So there is movement involved. That means into is the correct answer. He poured some water into the jug. 7. I left my phone blank the car. Here, the sentence suggests that the phone is already inside the car. So there is no movement involved. It is positioned in the car. So in is the correct answer. 8. The thief broke blank the building. This word broke suggests that the thief moved from outside to inside the building. That means movement is involved. So into is the correct answer. 9. She turned the water blank ice. There is a change here. Water changed into ice. She turned the water into ice. 10. They moved blank a new apartment yesterday. Moved is already here. That means movement is involved. So into is the correct answer. They moved into a new apartment yesterday. 11. The clothes are blank the wardrobe. Here, the clothes are positioned in the wardrobe. So this is only about the position of the clothes. So the correct answer is in. The clothes are in the wardrobe. 12. He threw the ball blank the basket. Here, the word threw suggests movement of the ball to the basket. So there is movement involved. That means into is the correct answer. He threw the ball into the basket. 13. We are blank a meeting right now. Here, we are not moving, rather we are positioned in a place. So there is no movement involved. That means the correct answer is in. We are in a meeting right now. 14. The girl grew blank a beautiful woman. Here is about transformation. The girl transformed into a woman. So it's about change. And the last one, some students are working blank the field. Should it be in the field or into the field? What do you think about this? Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe for more.